This is the McGlashan cocktail. This drink comes from renowned bartender Jack McGarry from the Dead Rabbit Bar. Essentially, it's a complicated twist on a whiskey sour, combining some unconventional ingredients. This drink contains Irish whiskey, an Oloroso sherry, orange and ginger marmalade, lemon juice and bitters, with a little ginger syrup for a touch of spice. This is just the kind of drink you need on St. Patrick's Day to wake you up. This is drink number 8 of 17 drinks for St. Patrick's Day. What is the crack? My name is the Rusty Bartender. How are yous all traveling? I hope yous are all well. Let's get into this drink today. This is called the McGlashan. Done a bit of research into this drink and I have no idea why it's called that. But I do know that it tastes amazing because I've had it before. Grab your cocktail tin for this one. And we're going to start off with 3 dashes of Orinoco bitters. And then we're going to go 1 teaspoon or bar spoon of orange ginger marmalade. If you can't find an orange ginger marmalade, you can just use an orange marmalade, but you're going to have to bump the ginger up. Probably using the ginger syrup that we're going to do. And then 3/4 of an ounce of our ginger syrup. Use a full ounce if you didn't have the orange ginger marmalade. Give this a little stir to mix the marmalade in. We're then going to go 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Don't know if you've seen it on camera there, but that lemon juice went flying everywhere. We're then going to go 3/4 of an ounce of Oloroso sherry. If you don't know what sherry is, it's like an oxidized wine, I think they call it. You're going to get a lot of kind of nutty, sort of almondy, well, not almondy, nutty notes. We're then going to go 1.5 ounces of your Irish whiskey. We're using Redbreast 12 today. The recipe says to use a single malt or a whiskey as good as you can get, because this is all about showcasing the Irish whiskey in this cocktail. And Redbreast 12 is right up there for me. And you're going to go 1.5 ounces of this bad boy. Add ice to your shaker. And we're going to shake this for 10 to 12 seconds. Like and subscribe. Please and thank you. Can't get it off, eh? And we're going to double strain this because there was marmalade in that. And you don't want the little bits floating throughout this drink. This drink smells amazing, but we're going to make it even better because we're going to grate a little fresh nutmeg over the top. That is a banger of a cocktail. Just the smell of it is amazing. The ginger, the spices. Let's go. That one is hitting all the notes. It's sweet, it's tart. There's the spiciness of the ginger, the orange from the marmalade. The nutmeg just makes it smell so amazing. This Could be the favorite of all St. Patrick's Day cocktails so far. Give this one a try, folks. McGlashan.